All right, today we are doing lesson 2.5, subtract across zeros. So I'm going to give two problems that show how we are going to subtract across zeros. The first one is a pretty simplistic one. We're going to do 15,710, subtract, take away 13,953. Now, it's very important that when we are subtracting, we line our digits up in the right place value. Our ones are in our ones place, our tens are in our tens, and so on. This is going to keep us from getting confused and make sure that all of our numbers line up neat and orderly. So, let's jump right in. 0 take away 3. 0 is a smaller value, a smaller amount than 3. So I cannot do that. There's more on the floor. I need to regroup next door. 1 becomes a 0, and 0 is going to become a 10. I've regrouped. I've taken a 10 from the tens and put it into the ones. Now, 0 take away 3. Sorry, 10 take away 3. I can do that. That's 7. But if I go next door now, 0 take away 5. Now I'm at a problem. My value is less than my bottom digit, so I need to borrow. I'm going to go next door to the hundreds. 7 becomes a 6 because I'm taking away, and I put a 1 in front of my 0. 10 take away 5 is 5. Our next step, move to the hundreds. 6 take away 9. This value is less than this value, so I need to borrow. 5 becomes a 4. 6 becomes 16. 16 take away 9 is 7. All right, last two steps. 4 take away 3. I do not need to regroup on this one because 4 is a greater value. Therefore, 4 take away 3 is 1, and 1 take away 1 is 0. I can leave this blank, or I can fill in a 0 into the placeholder if you would like to. Final step, put our comma in. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. There's our easier one. Let's move on to a more difficult one. If we look at a problem like, let me back up so we can see, 726,003 take away 282,942. We've lined up our digits so they are right in the right placeholder. They're nice and neat. And 3 take away 2. Pretty simplistic. 3, 2, 1. 1 is our answer, our difference. Now we go next door. 0 take away 4. This value is less than this value. So we're going to have to go to our neighbor and borrow. But as you see, we have a 0 here. So we have two options. The first option is to borrow twice. I find that to be rather confusing personally, so I box my two digits and I say 60. If I take 1 away from 60, 60 take away 1, I would get 59. And 0 becomes a 10. Now, if I look at it, 10 take away 4. I can do that. That would be 6. Go to my hundreds. 9 take away 9. That is doable. That would be 0. 5 take away 2. 3. 2 take away 8. This value is less than this value, so I need to borrow. 7 becomes a 6. 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 8. 4. 6 take away 2. 4. And then our last step is to put our comma in. So 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop, cha-cha-cha. 443,061.